Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Savvy. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find all the reels you have saved on Instagram. If you save reels to watch them later but don't know where they went, this guide is for you. Let's dive right in. First, open up the Instagram app on your phone. And once you're on Instagram, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. And now, tap on the three lines at the top right corner to open the settings menu. From the menu, tap on the option that says Saved. This is where all the content you have saved on Instagram is stored, including reels, posts, and collections. In the Save section, you can either view everything in all posts or check your reels separately if you have organized them into collections. If not, just tap on All Posts. And now, tap on the Reels tab from the top. And here, you can find all the reels you have saved previously. And that's it. That's how you can find your reels on Instagram. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Savvy for more helpful content. And I will see you in the next video.